Beautiful. Where are you going, Minush? This girl just spin me round and round. Fire on the phone. Fire with doggies. It's beautiful fire, people. Go, go, go. Hi, little pumpkin. Oh, little pumpkin.
Because it's embroidery, right? On the flowers.
Oh, what a beautiful color. Oh, that's nice. You got lots of wood and it's beautiful color stuff. Yeah, nice color. I know. Yeah.